welcome to Railey's Roaring Reviews, and today we're gonna show this Guardians of the Galaxy toy, and that's in the back. And oh yeah, okay, ready to open. It's ready to open. And we got let us see, we got Yondu, and he has a bow and arrow. And our next toy is this Spider-Man in this Spider-Verse blind box, and all sides this time. There's all sides. Okay, it's ready to open. Yeah. And I wonder what I get. So I want this Green Goblin. I want this Green Goblin. And it's ready to open. Cape, his hand, every detail, and his shoes. Okay, now we're ready to open detail, and it's ready to open. And I want this Titan, the colossal Titan. So I get, and I got the colossal Titan. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Yay! Now ready. Now the final event that you all been waiting for. Winston! Now you are all waiting for Winston. It's ready to open. And look at this big gorilla. Look at this big giant gorilla. Yeah. And that has to be the end of the toy room. Bye! Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!